Say you love me, say you don't. Just give me something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing a clean and declutter video. This is episode 2 of this series where I'll be decluttering my home. And we're going to be focusing on the bathroom and the master bedroom. For the bathroom, there's nothing to declutter. We're just going to be tidying it up. And for the bedroom, we're going to be doing some major decluttering. So continue watching.
Another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could open up and take my worry in and make it stop. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing.
If you are new to the channel, I would like to introduce myself. Like I said before, my name is Tiana Michelle and I am a wife and a mother of 3 kids. On this channel, I like to do DIY crafting and cleaning videos. If that's something that you enjoy, I will invite you to subscribe to my channel and introduce yourself in the comments.
Something for me, say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. Say it now. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. No, no. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. I can't wait. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 'Cause I can't wait for you forever.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish.
So now I'm going to be moving on to the master bedroom, and you will see me in 2 different outfits because this took me 2 days to complete. There was a ton of laundry. So right now I'm just going to be starting on my side of the room and taking care of the clothes that's on the floor and rearranging some furniture.
Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. together. You, oh, you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Oh no.
So if you watch any of my previous cleaning videos, then you know that my master bedroom looked a lot more cluttered, and that's because there was a lot more things in here. But a few months ago, I just got tired of all the clutter and I just started to move things out and rearranging things. Well, not a few months ago, probably like a couple weeks ago. So I moved my desk out and I moved it into the girls' room, and then I rearranged the TV and I moved the dresser. Like, I rearranged a lot of things, and I did it just like as a spare of the moment type thing. I didn't even think about picking up the camera. I just wanted to get it done. But if I can find a video of what the master bedroom used to look like, I will insert it.
But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what. 'Cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay
So there was so much stuff under my bed. I was literally so shocked. Like, I found a little bit of everything, and I only found what I could actually reach. So I'm pretty sure there's more stuff under there, but I'll get to that on another cleaning day.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
That is going to be all for this clean and declutter video. I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration to clean a room in your house. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video, guys.